Gold against US dollar. We can see it finally made a bullish breakout. It was expected and it has been shared with the traders community inside the community. The link will be below in the description, that the price will form this bullish breakout because of several attempts during the week. Several days the price formed a bullish candles, and then finally on a Thursday the price formed a strong bullish breakout above 25.80 and reached long time waited 2550.00. Now the price formed a bullish breakout and on a Friday continued to rise in value, which shows much stronger bullish momentum, and the price has reached all-time high price level. Week has closed as a bullish, and we can see that the price has formed this bullish breakout outside of this area where these two candles has been formed, and then again formed a bullish breakout above 2550. Monthly shows just continuation of these bullish candles. We can see how this looks, and it has been formed 2550 bullish breakout. We have 2 more weeks for the price needs to stay above in order to verify this bullish breakout as a first step, and then next month should not close below. A weekly time frame shows us a bullish breakout which has been formed. Now it is expected, at least for me, that there is a possibility that the price returns to the 2550 just to confirm this bullish breakout is a valid one and not closing the next week below. The daily time frame shows also bullish breakout which has been confirmed on the daily basis, on the daily time frame, because the price is formed on a Tuesday. This bullish breakout on a Friday did not return back down, so there is a possibility that the price returns back next week and then bounces back up, retrace and continue to rise in value. We can see 2654.09 is the next resistance, but the 4-hour time frame and a 1-hour time frame shows much more clear information how this support and the resistance levels are looking in between these two price levels, and also where is the next support after the price returns back down. Will it make to all the way back here to 25.80 or only this one? These details will be shared inside the traders community. The link will be below in the description. Every day, at least 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 times per day analysis with the potential targets where the price will go after the price makes a bearish or bullish breakout. So if you would like to check that, feel free to check the link below in the description. This is all for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.